Welcome to Money Capy. Smart money. Simple life.
What if everything you were taught about money was specifically designed to keep you from ever building real wealth? I know. Sounds like something you'd read at 2 a.m. down a rabbit hole. But here's the uncomfortable part. It's not a theory. It's a business model. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how it works. My name is Capy. I'm a capybara. And yes, a semi-aquatic, perpetually unbothered rodent is about to give you better financial advice than your entire school career ever did. Stay with me. Here's something that should genuinely make you angry. You spent over a decade inside a classroom. You memorized that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. You learned the causes of historical wars, the rules of algebra, the entire periodic table. Teachers dedicated full semesters to information you have never once used as an adult. But nobody, not one class, not one teacher, ever sat you down and explained how credit card interest quietly compounds against you every single month. Nobody taught you why your savings account loses real purchasing power every year to inflation. Nobody told you what happens to your financial future if you never invest a single dollar of your income. We graduated feeling prepared, and we walked into the real world completely, dangerously, financially illiterate. And here is the part that should sting. That gap was never an accident. Banks, lenders, and financial institutions have spent decades building profits on top of that confusion. The less you understand about money, the more they earn from you. Simple as that. The person behind this channel spent 15 years working inside the financial world, not watching from the outside, but deep inside it. 15 years of seeing exactly how money moves, how wealth is quietly built by a small group of people, and why the majority, regardless of how much they earn, stay permanently stuck. And what I kept seeing over and over again broke my heart a little. People earning $180,000 a year, completely, silently broke. And people on ordinary incomes, nothing special on paper, systematically building real net worth over time. Not because they were lucky, not because they had a rich family, but because they understood a handful of principles that most people never get the chance to learn. That is the gap this channel exists to close. Now, I'm choosing to stay behind this character intentionally. This channel is not about me, it's about you. No personal brand, no face to judge, just clean, honest, practical financial education, delivered with the energy of the internet's most beloved animal. And if you know anything about capybaras, every animal in the wild gets along with us. Crocodiles, birds, monkeys, even jaguars. Everyone is welcome here. No gatekeeping, no jargon. Nobody making you feel stupid for not already knowing this stuff. That's a promise. So here's exactly what we're going to build together on this channel. We're going to talk about how to create an automatic wealth system, one that grows quietly in the background while you're out living your actual life. We'll break down why skip your morning coffee is the most useless financial advice ever invented, and what the real problem actually is. We'll get into the quietly broke phenomenon, where people look successful on the outside, but are one unexpected bill away from a full financial crisis. We'll talk about why keeping all your cash in a savings account is one of the slowest ways to fall behind. And we'll cover the specific mental shift that separates people who build capital from people who simply earn, spend, and repeat the cycle forever. No PhD required. No finance background needed. If you can follow a conversation, you can follow this channel. Here is the truth I want you to take from this very first video. Wealthy people do not have access to secret information. They simply had access to the right frameworks earlier than most. That is the entire mission of Money Capy, to hand you those frameworks before it costs you another decade. Our first real video is coming very soon, and we're starting with something that affects almost everyone, but almost nobody talks about. Why your income going up every year can actually make you poorer. That one is going to shift how you see your entire financial picture. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And welcome, officially, to Money Capy. Stay calm. Build wealth. That's what we do here.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. New video every day.